we are still very positive with the Chinese market, and we have seen already for the first couple of months this year encouraging signals. Yes, of course, you can feel that there is, let's say, maybe not any longer those explosive growth patterns as we have, let's say, experienced them the years before. But especially when you look midterm and long term, I'm highly confident about the Chinese market, especially for our super luxury segment.
Why do you have that confidence? What kind of growth rate do you think you'll see here?
It's very hard to really predict growth rates because when you look back, nobody would have expected those growth rates we have seen over the last couple of years. So we have seen, for instance, last year growth rates of around 50 to 60%, something I would not expect again this year, definitely not, but definitely sustainable growth to come.
How are Chinese consumers' habits and tastes evolving?
Chinese consumers, and I'm talking now our Rolls-Royce consumers, are getting more and more open for even experiments regarding colors. You don't see any longer only black Rolls-Royces with red interiors. You also see now new colors to come, blue exteriors. They are quite, let's say, more interested now to get up their Rolls-Royce more individual, to highly bespoke the car, and that is something which is clearly evolving. Yeah?
With the US and Europe weak, how important is the Chinese market to Rolls-Royce?
China became last year our biggest market for Rolls-Royce. It was a close head-to-head race with the United States, so North America is closely following and is number 2. We had seen a very encouraging start this year in the United States, so let's wait and see what happens this year if China is again our number 1 market.
How has the European debt crisis influenced your strategy?
Quite mixed, I would say. The southern countries in Europe are not really doing very well for us currently. Our home market, the UK, was excellent last year, plus 30% compared to 2010, and is still growing. So I'm confident that we also see again this year for Europe at least some growth.
Is the debt crisis over?
No, not at all. That probably will definitely go on. My clear strategy is that we need to get internationally quite balanced with our Rolls-Royce business. Yeah, we have currently 2 very strong foots, and this is North American market and China. The Middle East market are also evolving excellent, I must say, also for the first 3 months this year. And I'm very much interested to even open up new markets like South America. We will open up this year 2 dealerships in South America, one in Sao Paulo, one in Santiago, Chile. And we are also looking into more territories here in the Asian markets, Vietnam. We are opening now in Thailand. So definitely more footprints of Rolls-Royce to be seen over the next years.